It's Dr. Stephen Weiner. I'm here to discuss Sculptra, and I'm going to discuss the misunderstanding that most people have, including many physicians, about the duration of Sculptra. So Sculptra is right here. It's Sculptra Aesthetic, and when you mix it up with saline and some lidocaine, and this is the way it looks. And my mixture is 7.5 cc's of saline and 1.5 cc's of 2% lidocaine without epinephrine. And you mix it up at least a few days before you treat, and that helps prevent clogging of the needle, better administration. But what I really want to talk to you about is how Sculptra works. So Sculptra is made of PLLA, poly-L-lactic acid, which causes collagen formation when it is injected into the skin. But what people don't understand is how long this duration of collagen lasts. We do know from studies of collagen formation with other products and lasers that collagen lasts for 7 years. However, everyone quotes 2 years with Sculptra. What's the problem? Why isn't it 7 years? Well, I argue that it's probably closer to 5 to 7 years, because the studies that were done with Sculptra were only done for 25 months, and then they stopped. The FDA, that's all they needed to have done is 25 months. But I'll show you on this graph right here, it goes out to 25 months over here. And this shows the percent improvement in wrinkle score. And you could see that once we hit the improvement with Sculptra, it's almost a steady line. There is no rapid decrease in the collagen at 25 months. So it doesn't just stop at 25 months. We get a lot longer. This is another study, part of the study, and this talks about wrinkle scores. And the wrinkle scores, judged by both the patient and the observer, were in the 80 percentile range improvement. So what I'm trying to tell you is that Sculptra is much longer than people say. It's much longer than 2 years. It's probably closer to 5 to 7 years. We do age. So at that point, when aging takes effect, you need more Sculptra. So I tell people once every 1 to 2 years, get a little touch up with your Sculptra, but it's not because the Sculptra has lost the collagen, it's just that you've aged, and this replenishes the aging. So when we inject it in other areas, for instance, doing the butt lift with Sculptra, I tell people it's going to last you at least about 5 years. And we don't age that much in the butt, but you do need touch-ups as well. So that's the misunderstanding about Sculptra. Sculptra is much longer than a 2-year filler. It's probably 5 to 7 years at least. Thank you.